Good morning, traders. Today's Monday, February 6th, 8:22 a.m., about 10 minutes before opening bell. I think we're going to be looking at a gap and dump today, guys. You're going to see more details in the next slide, but last night we did gap down. But in the next slide, you will see this clearly. We are at some serious resistance. We are near serious resistance. I have my doubts that we're even going to get back up to even fill that gap today. I don't think so. But you'll see that next slide. But here's the 65-minute chart, so you can kind of get a really high level. We are just under this old channel line. Remember this weekend I said, yeah, we're gonna do some kind of gap, and then we're gonna be coming up on some serious resistance. They're gonna gap down, and then they might do like a pump and dump scheme at opening bell, only to hit the resistance. Okay, you're gonna see that in the next slide very clearly. But here's where you are. You're wedged between some channel lines, and you're at the channel, old channel, bottom gray line, dash line. Okay. All right, here we go. Here's the gap that came last night. Here is the Remember, you know me. I like to talk about wicks. See, like on Friday, here was the big green wick. You had a big pump. Now you've got big red wick. Big red wick. Okay, keep that in mind. Okay, so look at this is convergence. This is convergence with the MACD, the blue lines. Okay, convergence just means it's a neutral interpretation. It's neither bullish nor bearish. Okay, you know RSI is at 44. Okay, that's about mid-range, and the MACD is over the zero line, but right at the zero line. Okay, so look at the great. Here's the old channel top that you saw in the previous slide right there, but that's also at the same time met with a thick band of the 4-hour SMA 20, the 30-minute SMA 20, the 1-hour EMA 50, and that's all right in that. So you have a thick band with the old channel bottom, and you have red wicks, okay? And that's all before you even get to this gap up here. You see what I mean? I have my doubts. So I think if it's going to try to do something, it's going to do like a head fake pump at the beginning, okay? So watch for that. If it doesn't try to take the EMA, here's the 5-minute EMA 50 line right here. If it doesn't try to take it by traditional means come up, back test, and then go up, or instead if it just starts pumping, oh man, I'm going for shorts. I'm going to short that, okay? That's what I'm going to do. So that's basically what we're looking at here, guys. I have my doubts that it's going to go up there and fill that gap. What that means is if it doesn't fill the gap today, you're going lower because it intends to fill that gap another day. That's what that means, okay? So that's kind of where we're at, guys. I'll leave it at that. Keep it short and simple. Just maybe I'll talk to you on Twitter or on the market recap.